Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So my wonderful husband surprised me today with this beautiful limited edition gel polish set, and I wanted to try it out. I wanted to unbox it. I'm so excited to show you guys. I haven't seen the colors yet inside. What a wonderful gift this was, and I'm just so grateful and excited to share this with you guys. So let's take a look. This is a beautiful French set, and I love that. It looks so fancy and elegant, and I'm all about that. I see a hint of shimmer on these two, so I'm not sure what that's about. If there's some sparkle in here, I'm not sure, but I guess we will find out. So yes, okay, I'm already excited when I see sparkle and glitter. I'm gonna take all of these out and we're gonna look at them. So this looks like a pinkish. Let's see what this looks like. Honey ginger. Oh my gosh, I am so excited about this color. This is such a lovely pink. It's almost like a dusty, like rose color. I cannot wait to see how this looks. The kind of color we've got here. Okay, yeah, I'm down for this completely. This would make a stunning ombre. I could do this on top of the pink one that I just opened. I'm all about this. This is, yes, this is everything. And this one says Disco Pink Glitter. Let's check it out. That is so pretty. It's like a deeper pink. This is gorgeous. They're all so different and all so pretty, and they're all just, he just knows me so well. This is so me and just the perfect little pick-me-up. I desperately needed it this week, you guys. It's been a rough week. So I'm very happy to be back here, and I am so excited and grateful for this beautiful gift. So I'm gonna swatch these, so we'll see how they turn out on my swatch sticks. When I do gel polish, I always do a base first before I go into the color. This is just a different brand. This is Rebel. So I just had this on hand. So I always do a base coat and a top coat to sandwich the color, just to make sure that it's gonna apply well and stay on there really well. I did read the directions, and it didn't say anything about applying a base or anything like that, but some of them don't always say that on the directions, so I just do it to be on the safe side. So I'm just gonna throw that in the lamp there for 30 seconds, and then I'll start my next one. I specialize in dip powder because that's my first love, but I have to say I have been getting into the gel polish lately. You guys have me really loving gel polish right now. And I think it's a really nice complement to dip powder. It's a nice change sometimes, and I think they both are really great options. So these I will put in the lamp. And we will get started on our first color. I think I'm going to do the glitter one, the sparkle first, because it just looks really fun. Whether it's dip powder or gel polish or even like nail polish, I try to do a nice thin coat if possible, because you don't want to get it all gloopy and clumpy. You want to take your time and make sure that you're applying it nicely and kind of neat. Okay, look, there's like chunky glitters in here. That is so cool. I didn't realize that when I just like pulled it out, but there are little chunky glitters in here, you guys. This is amazing. You guys, come on. I cannot. I'm gonna put that one in the lamp. Let's get started on this beautiful pink one. I'm gonna do that one now. This is just so pretty. It's so pretty. It's like a nice delicate color. You can tell this is really good quality too. I don't see any like contaminants in this or any like little bubbles or little sediment, so you can tell this was made really well. And the quality looks really good to me. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's just, oh my gosh, it's perfect. It's exactly what I have been searching for. How does my husband know exactly what I want? How? I just don't know. I'm still not over this one, you guys. That's just one layer. Anyway, let's do the disco pink. This looks like a really beautiful shimmer. Yes, I love this. That is really nice about gel polish and gel base. You don't have to rush because you can take as long as you want to, and then you just cure it when you're done. So if you make a mistake, you have a lot of time to fix it. So this is one layer of each color. I think he got it off Ulta actually. So let's do our second layer. I think I'm gonna start with Little Miss Glitter over here again. I think I'm just gonna do 2 layers because I think that's all I need really. These cover really, really nicely with just 1 layer, so I really think 2 layers is probably good, and then we can top coat it. So I do 30 seconds in my lamp. And I usually start at like the cuticle area and I kind of paint downward. It's also good if you're doing it on your own nail because you don't want to get a lot of product up here and then flood all over your cuticles. So I think it's definitely good to work your way down and point it down so the gravity kind of helps it flow towards the tip. So we'll do a second coat of this one. It looks like a little sheer in 2 spots, so I'm just gonna cover that in, like fill it in. So now we can top coat these 2. And again, this is just, I have Revel brand. And then I do 60 seconds in my lamp for my top coat. And we'll put these in for 60 seconds. And this is the finished product. This is so pretty. I am so happy with this color. You have no idea how much I love this color, and this is just that perfect neutral soft light pink, and you can do so much with it. So here is that beautiful glittery pink. I love that so much. It is so pretty. It's a nice deep pink, and these look so good together. Let's add our third to the mix. I love the chunky glitters in this. It just reminds me of champagne. What a beautiful combo. So I am so happy with this, and thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.